So we're standing on the bridge that goes up 7 toward Lyons Park. We were warned it was undercut on the southwest side here, as you can see. But clearly there are vehicles driving along and people making their way toward their houses. The sun's out. Clouds have cleared a bit. You know, what was a pretty ominous and menacing looking cloud bank in the mountains there has since subsided. We've had a Black Hawk helicopter flying around, presumably that's FEMA and those folks. And we're thinking we may go back to our space and open up the upstairs window to allow stuff to dry out. But things are starting to look up, at least from at this time.